Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between GDP and GNP. Gross Domestic Product, GDP, is the value of the finished domestic goods and services produced within a nation's borders. GDP measures the value of goods and services produced within a country by citizens and non-citizens. GDP helps indicate the health of a country's economy. On the other hand, Gross National Product, GNP, is the value of all finished goods and services produced by a country's citizens, domestically and abroad. GNP measures how its nationals are contributing to the country's economy. It factors in citizenship, but overlooks location. So, let's look into the basic differences between GDP and GNP in a tabular form. Difference number 1. GDP measures goods and services produced within national borders, whereas GNP measures goods and services produced by the country's residents regardless of location. Number 2. GDP reflects domestic production, whereas GNP reflects national production. Number 3. GDP includes output from both residents and non-residents within the country, whereas GNP includes only the output of residents even if they produce abroad. Number 4. GDP excludes citizens' foreign income, whereas GNP excludes foreigners' domestic income. Number 5. GDP highlights the strength of the domestic economy, whereas GNP highlights the contribution of residents to the economy. Number 6. GDP is used to analyze internal economic performance, whereas GNP is used to analyze the international earnings of residents. Number 7. GDP is calculated using expenditure or income approaches, whereas GNP is calculated by adding net foreign income to GDP. Number 8. GDP is influenced mainly by internal economic activity, whereas GNP is influenced mainly by international financial flows. Number 9. GDP is ideal for measuring local productivity and consumption, whereas GNP is ideal for measuring worldwide income of nationals. And difference number 10. GDP may rise even if citizens abroad earn less, whereas GNP may rise even when domestic production falls if residents earn more overseas. So, these are the differences between GDP and GNP. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.